In today's episode, we're going to share a couple of tips on how to use clickable links on Instagram to drive more traffic to your website. I'm sure you've heard the exciting news that Instagram rolled out a new link stickers feature, replacing swipe up links and making them available to all Instagram users. But since new upgrades and updates don't usually reach all Instagram users at once, and some of you may still not have access to link stickers, we want to remind you that there are a couple of ways to share a clickable link with your audience so they can easily reach your website, blog, or shop. Not sure how to do it? Let's find out. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today for another episode of IQhashtags Instagram School. I'm Alex, a content specialist for IQhashtags, the most used Instagram hashtags and analytics tool designed to help you skyrocket your Instagram profile. If you've been here for a while and want to learn more Instagram news and trends from our future episodes, make sure to subscribe our channel so you'll see more of my face like every Tuesday. And who wouldn't want that? Once upon a time, Instagram users could include links in captions and comments. Sadly, as with everything that's too good to be true, this function started to be heavily abused with spam links in the comments or hacking activities. Another reason for banning clickable links was also that Instagram wants us to stay on the platform as long as possible, so having links distracting users from constant scrolling on the platform wasn't the best deal for the big guys in charge. But here we are now at a time when the Instagram landscape is changing very dynamically. New IG updates and features begin to support business owners and creators more than ever before, so who knows if one day clickable links in captions or comments will not be brought back to the platform in some form. We can dream about it for now, and anyone who already have clickable link stickers should definitely enjoy it till they can. But since you're still waiting for this feature to roll into your account, let's look at other ways you can create clickable links for your followers and turn them into business leads or clients. If you're running a brand Instagram account and your goal is to drive traffic to your website, link in bio is an absolute must for your Instagram profile. This clickable URL on the top of your Instagram account can be easily found by everyone who visits your profile, but also you can help people to find their way to it by creating a knockout bio in feed posts and stories with very clear calls to action. If you just launched a new product, create an exciting post where you tell people about it and let them know that they can purchase it through your link in bio. Same with stories. Let's say you're a beauty blogger and you just wanted to share your morning routine blog post with your audience. Share a catchy sneak peek in your stories and use a call to action like go to the link in bio where I shared the full list of cosmetics from my morning routine. It's all about giving your followers a reason to click in that link. Just make sure you give them a good one. I'm sure that for many of you, one link is just not enough. You might want to direct people to your website, but maybe also share a giveaway entry link, and on the top of that, you've just released a new YouTube video that you want your audience to see. And there's no way to prioritize one over the other. So what do? You should definitely consider using link in bio tools. There are several platforms that allows you to create a custom landing page that houses all the links you want to share with your followers. Instead of wasting time updating links in bio, you can have all the links packed in one URL. Just be careful, adding too many links like 8 or 10 can confuse your audience as they won't know where to click first. Try to stick to 5 links top so it is easy for the users to find what they want or what you want them to find. IGTV is your other way to go, and you'll ask me how. Links added to IGTV description are an exception from links in captions on Instagram aren't clickable rule. This one still stands even for IGTVs shared as preview in your feed. How do you get a swipe up link to your IGTV in your stories? First of all, create an IGTV video with a clear call to action. Let's say you're selling tickets to a charity event. In the video, you invite everyone to join the event and let them know that they can purchase a ticket through the link added in the video description. People need to physically tap on the IGTV title to see the description, so make sure you tell them that too. Now the video part is done. So now let's create a story post which will direct people to your new IGTV video through a swipe up link. Add a photo, a text, or record a video of yourself with a surprise, a very clear call to action. I keep repeating myself, but calls to action are essential to get people to click on anything, so please keep that in mind. You can also use a GIF and make it visually appealing for people to get them to swipe up. Once they do it, they'll be taken to your IGTV video with a clickable link to your event. Is the process worth the effort? I think it is. Try to reach your target audience with direct messaging. Of course, avoid spammy messages with your link only. Nobody likes to receive those, and you'll achieve opposite results to what you were aiming for. Plus, you might even get reported by the users and get banned. Be smart and diplomatic about it. Use stories to ask them if they'd like to be the first ones to know about your new product launch. Make your viewers feel special. Anyone who responds will receive a link to your product on the day it launches with a little discount. It's a way more personal communication and can be an excellent engagement and conversion hack. You can also set up quick replies to share links via DMs/direct messages. Instagram quick replies are responses that you set up in advance to answer frequently asked questions received in your DM. The most common ones are your hours of operation, rates for your services, contact info, or maybe even a link to your last ebook. Instead of creating a message from scratch, every time someone sends you the same question you've replied to thousands of times, you can direct them to your website where you have created a set of answers especially for them. If you haven't got your clickable link sticker in your stories yet, I hope that this video provided you with quite a few ideas on how to work around this technicality. Thanks to the available tools, you can still accelerate your brand's growth, increase sales, or drive traffic to your website anytime you want. If you enjoyed this episode, please show us some love and hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And if you're ready for more Instagram news and trends from yours truly, don't forget to tap the bell button as well, just to make sure we pop up on your home screen next Tuesday. And of course, I will see you in the next one.